What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and you know it's Monday, man. So happy Monday to all of y'all, man. I know that Mondays aren't everybody's favorite day of the week, gang. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get back to work, you gotta get back to school, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get back in the gym, you gotta get back to eating right. Whatever it is that you gotta get back to on Monday, a lot of us, man, it's not as easy as you think, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm bringing y'all videos on Mondays and on Fridays, because I like, start the week with something good, end the week with something good, man. So today, I'm bringing you another review of a sneaker that was just released this past weekend, and I was able to walk in Hibbett Sports. Actually, I didn't walk in. Somebody else walked in, but I'll tell you who that person was. Let's get into today's video. So I got the box right here. And as you can see, man, you got the elephant print going on the box, man. We got the elephant print going on the box, also on the back of the box. Let's read what's inside of the box. We got the Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is black, green glow, and wolf gray. That is a men's size 12. Hopefully you can see it. All right, so we're gonna get inside this box, man. Again, you got the elephant print theme continuing on throughout the box right here on the tissue paper. We're gonna pull that back. Hey, man, ain't nothing like the new shoe smell. You know what I'm saying? The only thing better than that is the new car smell, I think. Or the new house smell. What you think, man? All right, so we got it right here. Air Jordan 3, man, green glow, man. What y'all think about that? All right, so the Air Jordan 3 green glow, man. And I noticed, man, I repeat that a lot. When I watch my videos, I'm like, man, when I start a new scene, y'all see my dog to enter the scene. Did y'all see him? I don't know if he showed up, but he here, man. He in the building, man. Shout out to Monty, man. Picture of Monty on the screen right now, man. Let's go. Hey, that's the guy. He really the star, man. I probably need to start putting him in the videos for all my animal lovers, man. I know y'all gonna love him. But anyway, man, we got the AJ3 green glow. Like I was saying, I repeat that a lot. When I do videos, I repeat what type of shoe it is, because I just want y'all to know the name of the shoe. But anyway, man, I'm gonna be honest, this shoe did surprise me, pulling it right out the box. I did not walk in the store and get these, man. Shout out to the wifey and my daughter who went on a mission for me to grab them, because I had things to do, man. I had to get to the job, I had to work, man, had things going on. So I wasn't able to go in and just grab them. I had to, luckily not have to, but I had my wife and my daughter out and about, taking care of things, doing some prom shopping and all of that stuff, and they was able to go in and grab them for me. But as you can see here, man, this shoe is really not that bad. I was thinking it was a bit gimmicky when I looked at it online. I was like, the green, why couldn't it just be an OG? Why they had to put the green on there and all of that? But when I got it in hand, I'm like, you know what? The leather on this shoe ain't that bad, bro. It's actually pretty decent. The elephant print is pretty decent on here. That suede is pretty nice. Just enough white on here. But the green is not like a lime green. It's almost like I don't know how to describe that green. It's a bit different. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's what you say it was, babe? Immense. Shout out to babe, man. She always, I'm not the expert, gang. I'm not the expert. She really the expert, because she got all the shoes that she don't wear, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, mint. She did wear her bread fours though. Update. She wore her bread fours twice, y'all. So y'all can clap in the comment section for wifey, who finally wore her shoes. I told y'all, if y'all watched the review on the bread fours, the Reimagine, I told her we was gonna fall out if she didn't wear these shoes, and she got them before me. But anyway, man, this green ain't that bad. You got a mint green going on right there. And I think mint has been something that's been very popular in the fashion community. If you follow any of the designer brands and you're watching their lookbooks and stuff, I've seen this mint color be used a lot. And it's interesting to see it here on the Jordan 3. I think it's a very unique shoe, very cool, very clean. As always, we're gonna grab the second shoe out so we can do a side-by-side comparison on what I like to call the quality control segment. So let's take a look, man, and see what we have here. Hopefully I'm gonna drop some B-roll in here so you guys can get an actual close look at the shoe and so you can see exactly what I'm seeing. You know, I'm looking right here on the back of the, let me turn that around. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right on the back where it has the Jumpman and the Air, it's a little scratches going on right there on the Jumpman, but nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. I'm just seeing that because I'm looking at it pretty close. It's like right in my face like that. But if you're wearing it and you walking around, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell, man, for real. Looks pretty clean, nothing crazy. The suede's intact, no scratches or scuffs. You see the bottom, real clean. You got that mint going on. It's hard not to want this shoe to be like an OG, bro. It's very hard because it's so close. You know what I'm saying? It is so close, but you know, the mint on there, of course, takes it in a different direction. We don't have a Nike Air on the back. But you know, this is a very good shoe. This is a very good shoe, but Nike did a good job on the quality control. All right, guys, so you know I gotta give you styling and I gotta give you my rating before we get out of here, bruh. And my dog just like legit, bruh. He a puppy. Can we forgive him for what just happened? All right, so we back, man. Listen, man, my dog, at 11 weeks, no, he's 12 weeks now, right? He 12 weeks. 12 weeks, we got him at 8 weeks, and man, we doing our hardest to potty train him, man. Yeah, this is one of the things that I miss with my Frenchie, with our Frenchie, Milo. Rest in peace to Milo. If you haven't heard the story, you know, we lost him, you know, last year or whatnot. But he was at the point, man, he never used the bathroom in the house. So, you know, Monty was on a run of 2.5 days of not doing anything. And it's partially my daughter's fault. You know what I'm saying? As a leader, I don't like to point the finger, but she took him out to eat and did not take him out to the bathroom. And so as a puppy, the homie can only hold his, you know, his stuff for so long. So, and he did it near the door. So, you know, he giving us a sign that, you know, he needed to get outside. But anyway, that's what just happened, man. Let's get on to the rest of this video, man. I gotta give you the styling and the rating, man. When it comes to styling, for me personally, a lot of people say that shorts look better with threes. I think because it is mint, I would personally want to wear some pants with this, like some jeans to cover it up, to make it give off kind of like an OG vibe personally, because you won't see any of the mint. Now, if you wear shorts, you're gonna have to complement that mint color, and it can be done. It can be done. This is a spring type color, that mint green. So I would think that's definitely something that you could make happen. But I personally would rock jeans with it. But as far as my rating, before we get out of here, gang, I'm gonna give you my rating. I'm not the biggest fan of green, gang, even though I wear this green hat a lot. So that is kind of a bit weird that I'm saying that. I like my green hat, but I don't know if I like mint green like that. I don't even know if I own anything mint green. So the rating on this shoe, just overall, it's pretty decent, pretty good leather quality. God, I really been in a, babe, what you think? Shit, let's go, we're gonna go 5.5 out of 10, man. 5.5 out of 10 for the Air Jordan 3 Green Glow. Not the best 3, not the worst 3, but the mint green does throw it off just a tad bit. I think it is a shoe that I would keep, but something I would grab for significantly under retail. I would wait till this shoe drops down to the lowest possible number before I would grab it. And I would recommend that you guys do the same. Just keep an eye on it. Don't be in a rush. Y'all know how the market is right now. You ain't got to rush to grab nothing. But this ain't worth grabbing for retail. I will tell you this. Not a bad looking shoe. A shoe that I would keep. This is a shoe that I would wear, but it's not a shoe that I would want to pay retail for. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. But as always, guys, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.